Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to copy text from an image. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. Now, if you are using Android, all you have to do is go to Google and you should see this Google Lens icon right here. You can tap that one and import that specific picture or photo with text. And what you're going to do here is you have to tap on select all. Instead of tapping translate, you have your option right here like select all, and all you have to do is click that one. Now tap on select all and you should see copy. So what you're going to do is you have to copy that one and paste this text wherever you want. For example, I'm going to paste this text to my notepad. So I'm going to open my notepad application right here, or if you have your Microsoft Word, you have to open that one. And what you're going to do in order for you to paste on your notepad, you have to look for text and then a long press here till you see the paste option. Tap on paste, and that's how you basically copy text from an image. Okay, now if you don't have your Google Lens, then you can go to Google Play Store and look for Google Translate or install Google with Google Lens. And once you're done, then all you have to do is to open that one, make sure that this application is compatible with your device. Just install, open, and then import the image. And then what you're going to do is copy the text, tap on select all, copy text, and then paste it wherever you wish. And that's how you copy text from an image. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.